Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm out at an outlet Toys R Us in West Edmonton Mall, and they've got the new Captivz Jurassic World eggs, the Mega Egg Surprise, and I have only seen these online for pre-order, and I was super surprised to see them in stores, because they're huge. I was not expecting them to be this big, and holy cow, they even come with this like Indoraptor eye that opens and closes. Got the Rexy on the front and everything. So this is the Clash edition. It's the third wave, and they've got all that like battle damage on them. So from what the back of the box says, or the egg, they've got 2 dinosaur eggs in there with mystery dinos, I think, and then they've got 3 mystery dinosaurs inside without the eggs, and then their cards come with that. You get 2 extra slime, lava slime. I think it's a different color from the last one. This one looks more red. I could be wrong. You got the collector's guide sheet with all the dinosaurs on it. A mystery pullback dino car. Got this little backpack clip, which kind of looks like the carrying case that is also out at Toys R Us here. And not specifically this one, but I've seen it out there. You can check out my previous video. I include that carrying case. It's really neat. It also comes with a little map of Isla Nublar and some stickers and a dice. Looks like playmat. Might be something like some sort of gimmick where you can play with these guys with the mat. So we're going to take a look later in my next video at what that might look like and see what's inside this massive egg. They're $50, which is pretty crazy, but usually these guys retail for $8 each here in Canada. So that's about $40 already. So $10 for the car, the egg, that little clip, and then the stickers and map and dice. So that's actually not that bad. And then there's also the Tyrannosaurus Rex from the first Camp Cretaceous lineup with that action feature. So it wiggles its head and its tongue is all rubbery. This guy's $50 as well. I was kind of expecting it to be on sale since it's an older figure. But yeah, no. You can see colors on the back too. But that's it for the outlet here in West Edmonton Mall. And yeah, no. I was expecting a little bit more, but these eggs are incredible, and I'm excited to finally open one. Like, holy cow, that's gonna be great. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to check out my next video after this. So see you guys then. And hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.